For free weekly videos, click subscribe.
A, B, C. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. B, ball. C is for cat. Cat. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Beep, 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 beep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little Bo Peep has lost some sheep and doesn't know where to find them. What's this? Peekaboo! She found her sheep! This is our rainbow abacus. It's yellow and pink. Let's put all the balls to one side. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do opposites. Dirty, clean. Dirty and clean. Quiet. Shh, shh. Quiet. Loud, loud. Quiet. Loud. Tall, short. Tall and short. What colour is the A and the apple? They are red. What colour is the B and the ball? They are blue. What colour is the C and the cat? They are orange. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Build some blocks with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What colours are they? This one is red. This one is green. This one is light blue. This is pink. This is yellow. We already did this one. This is red. This is green. This is dark blue. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What goes here? It's the letter A. Where's that letter A? Found you! Found you! A. A is for apple. Apple. What letter goes here? That's right. It's the letter B. B. B is for ball. Ball. What letter goes here? It's the letter C. C is for cat. Cat. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic counting, everyone.
Please subscribe for more videos.